Nicolettes, welcome back to my channel, or hello if you're new. These are amazing tips that I think you guys will like and I personally use to help clear my skin up when it's not acting the way I want it to. Your girl definitely has sensitive skin. I get hormonal acne, all that good stuff that nobody wants, but you know, it's part of life. Let me know by leaving a comment telling me if you have any skin issues. Do you have oily skin, dry skin, acne prone? I definitely want to do more skin videos and I want to see what majority of you guys kind of deal with so I can do videos on that. Thumbs it up if you like this and found it useful. I recently did how to get rid of a pimple overnight, which I'll put the little card up there or there, whichever way it is. But before I jump into it, as always, I want to give my post notification shout out, which goes to, and my Instagram shout out goes to. So thank you guys so much. I love you so much. And if you want to be a part of that, all you have to do is be subscribed, of course, hit that bell so you're notified when I do upload a video, and comment with the hashtag post notification squad either on my YouTube or if you want an Instagram shout out, just follow me and comment that over on there and I may shout you out next. But that being said, let's just get into what the video's about. The number one important thing to having clear skin is having a skincare regimen, and I'm gonna share with you guys all my secrets, my hacks on my skincare regimen. But it's really important to wash your face every morning and night because, of course, just washing your face is going to remove buildup, dirt, oil, and other unwanted things that we do not want on our face. To begin, I'm gonna share with you guys my skincare routine and my little tips and tricks. Of course, a number one rule, never sleep with your makeup to bed. I know it can be a struggle some nights, but you gotta do it, girl. And one thing that I've switched over to in my skincare routine is using micellar water, in particular the Garnier Skin Active one. This is just the pink bottle. I know they have numerous different types of formulas that you can check out, but I just love this one. The reason why I'm so into like micellar waters as opposed to makeup wipes now is because I find it removes my makeup completely and really well, but it's not drying on the skin, which I found a lot of makeup removers drying. And by the way, none of this video is sponsored if you guys are just curious. I'm just gonna be talking about really my favorite products that I use on a daily basis and are my holy grails. But I will try to link all the products I mentioned in the description box. The next one, of course, you have to move on to a good cleanser after you remove your makeup. And I recently switched over to this one and it's amazing, guys. If you have acne prone skin or sensitive skin, definitely check this out. It's from Lush and it's called Angels on Bare Skin, and it's basically a blend of kaolin, lavender, and almond, and those are all amazing things for the skin. It's a good face and even body cleanser, so if you struggle with body acne, you can use this as well. All I do is just take a little bit and you have to just wet it underneath water and mix your hands together, and it's gonna give it more of that cleansing formula, whatever that means. I recently switched over to this because I've noticed that a lot of the times using just normal cleansers, they've been breaking me out, and I find using something more natural, which Lush has a lot of more natural products, I definitely recommend going for that because a lot of the times there's some crazy ingredients that go into skincare products that you have no idea that you're putting onto your face. I feel like a lot of people forget to tone their face, but there's so many benefits if you tone your face after you cleanse. But a hack I have for you is to use apple cider vinegar as your toner. Of course, you have to put a little bit into a bottle and make sure that you also fill it with water so you dilute the apple cider vinegar. You don't want to just put straight out apple cider vinegar onto your face. And I like to use it with a cotton pad and just wipe it all over. I love this because I find it improves my acne and also acne scarring, and it also helps minimize the appearance of pores. It also gets rid of dead skin cells, lightens sunspots or age spots you may have. I find this works much better than a lot of the toners out in the market that cost a lot more money as well. After you tone, of course, you definitely need to moisturize, and my little hack is to use coconut oil. I know that coconut oil doesn't work for everyone, so definitely find an oil that works for you. I just find it so much more moisturizing. There's not those added chemicals, and I personally find coconut oil works for me, and it's also a natural antibacterial and antifungal, so it's an excellent moisturizer for your skin. And also it smells good, so that's a plus because whenever I put coconut oil onto my skin, I feel like I'm on a tropical island. Is that only me? And for the end of my skincare routine, my best trick, guys, is to use lavender oil to treat acne. It's not your typical spot treatment, but it works so much better. Lavender oil has so many benefits. It soothes and nourishes your skin, and it treats your acne, also healing dry skin, and it reduces the dark spots and scars at the same time. I just like to go more for the natural route as much as I can. Once I was finished with my skincare, it is time to go to bed. So this is what I like to do, especially for nighttime. Another quick way to keep your skin clearer and also cleared up fast is to do weekly masks. And I love doing more DIY masks. I find they actually help my skin so much better. And one of my favorites and go-to is doing a Greek yogurt plus honey. All you do is add a couple tablespoons of Greek yogurt and a couple teaspoons of honey, mix it all together in a bowl, and you have a quick, easy DIY mask right from your home. And all you have to do is just apply all over your face, of course, avoiding your eyes. Keep it on for about 20 minutes. You'll notice it dries. So once it's dried completely, then just rinse it off with warm water and follow with your moisturizer. And the reason why I love this mask is because yogurt's been shown and proven to be successful for refining your pores, exfoliating skin, and stimulating collagen production. And it's really great for acne-prone skin. And then honey is also great for the skin because it helps keep your skin soft and moisturized. So before you do any of this stuff, like I always say, make sure that you're doing a test patch just because everyone's skin's different and you never know. But for me, it works amazing. And the last hack that I have for you is to clean off your phone screens. I like to take a non-alcoholic wipe. I read somewhere that your phone screen has more germs than a toilet seat. I was shook. A lot of the times, you won't even realize that you could be getting acne just because you're talking on your phone too much and putting those germs onto your skin. That is all for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and it was useful. Thumbs it up once again if you did. And if you want more skin videos, dealing with acne and sensitive skin has definitely been a journey that I've been on for a long time. So I'd love to do more videos on it. Don't forget to also become a part of the family because we are so close to 700,000. So make sure you guys click that subscribe button. It would mean so much to me. And also, if you turn that bell on, I won't be mad either. So you're notified when I do upload, which is every Wednesdays, Fridays, and Sundays. So I hope you guys are having an amazing day, evening, or night, whenever you're watching this, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Bye!